All right, Joe here, and first I want to say thank you for the 100 subscribers. It truly means a lot. And I just went through the analytics, and it looks like there's been 14,000 views on all my videos in the past year, which is just absolutely nuts. And as a special way to thank you, I'm doing an $18,000 giveaway. So what's included in this giveaway, and how hard is it to actually sign up? So as far as signing up, super easy. What you're going to do is like this video. You're going to subscribe to the channel if that you haven't already. And then the last thing you're going to do is in the comments, write, "Pick me for GMB." And I'll explain it now. So this contest, what's going to happen is you are going to get the local accelerator program. So what I'm going to do is basically for the next year, I'm going to optimize your Google My Business listing. So what does that mean? Well, Google My Business is where pretty much everyone finds you at this point. They go on Google, they type in fence company near me, plumber near me, whatever it happens to be. And then basically there's going to be a list and it shows like the locations of the companies and it'll give you the reviews, the phone number, and all that kind of good stuff. And that's what we're optimizing. So what can you get from this? Well, for my company personally, every year we receive about 3,500 phone calls. And these are unique callers. So every month we're getting about 300 people that are calling us every single month. Now for most people, that's way too many phone calls. But I've been doing this for about 3 to 4 years at this point, and we've optimized everything and we just blow everyone out of the water. Now for you, I'm going to be doing this for a year. So the results that I'm looking to see for you is an additional 20 phone calls per week. Now that's quite a decent amount. I'm looking in the next year that you're going to have 1,000 phone calls. Okay. Now, what are you going to get from this? Well, even if you close at a rate of 10%, so that means you need 10 people to call in order to book a job. What I'm looking for you to do is to book an extra 1 to 2 jobs per week. Okay. Now, as a fence company, our average gross profit is anywhere from like $2,000 to $3,000. Okay, so we're going to average it to $2,500. So if you've received an extra 1 job per week at $2,500, well, in the course of a year, you're going to make an additional about $125,000 in gross profit. And if you were booking 2 jobs a week, that's about $5,000 a week, or an extra $250,000 a year. So for someone that is just starting out, this is going to be huge. This is how you get in front of the people that you need to in order to book more jobs. For the people that have been doing this for a while and you're not quite booking enough jobs, or you don't have enough employees and all that kind of stuff, well, your life is going to change because now you're going to have these phone calls coming in. Now you're going to be booking jobs. And because of that, you can start hiring the employees and whatever else you need to do and to basically build a better business. And at the end of the day, the goal is for you to work less and earn a hell of a lot more. So again, if you're interested in doing this, 3 easy steps. Number 1, just hit the like button. Number 2, hit the subscribe button. Number 3, pick me for GMB in the comments. And if you know someone else that could use this help as well, share the video and they can get involved as well. Now, when is the winner going to be picked? Well, December 24th. So you have about a week and a half to put in your entries. And honestly, it takes about 30 seconds. So there's really no harm in it. So anyway, hope to see your comments in there. And then on December 24th, we're going to do a live viewing, and someone's going to win a package worth $18,000. Oh, and how did I come up with $18,000? Well, this package is $1,500 a month for the next 12 months, so that's $18,000. And again, if you don't win this contest, but you are looking to improve the amount of calls you have coming in so that way you can book more jobs, look into this program. You'll see the link in the description. Again, it's $1,500 per month, but on average, I'm looking for you to make an additional $5,000 in gross profit per week. So anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome day and good luck. Thanks again. Bye.